Hello friends, my name is Kailas and you are watching Spoken English Master. How are you friends? I hope good. Nowadays we are having voice change series. This is part 3. I have already uploaded 2 videos, part 1 and part 2. If you haven't watched those videos, you can watch it from I button or you can check the playlist. From there you can watch all those videos. These are very helpful. This is part 3. But before starting part 3, I just want to give you a recap of part 1 as well as part 2. What we have learned in those 2 videos. In part 1 we have started voice change. We have had some we have got some ideas about transitive verb, intransitive verbs, and we started present indefinite tense as well as present continuous tense. And in part 2 we have learned present perfect continuous tense and past indefinite tense. Okay, so 4 tenses we have already completed. Today we are having part 3, and in part 3 we will be learning past continuous tense and past perfect continuous tense, how to change these 2 tenses, okay, in passive voice. It's very important, so my request is to watch the video till the end to get complete knowledge about that. So without wasting time, let's get started. See friends, first of all you have to understand what is past continuous tense. Okay, if we don't have any idea about past continuous tense, we cannot learn how to change from active to passive voice. Okay, so past continuous tense means any past ongoing action. Okay, मैं वहां पे जा रहा था, वो यहाँ पे आ रहा था, मैं फुटबॉल खेल रहा था, okay, वो ड्राइंग कर रही थी, okay, कोई भी चीज पहले चल रहा था, okay, means past ongoing action. For past ongoing action we use past continuous tense. Okay, in short I have told. If you want to learn in detail, I have already made a separate video. I'll give the link in the I button. From there you can watch past continuous tense video. That is very helpful video. If you want, you can watch it from there. Now friends, I have taken 2 examples for you, and these 2 examples means these 2 sentences I'll try to convert it in passive voice. Let's see. देखिए दोस्तों, number 1, I was teaching English. मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ा रहा था और मैं इंग्लिश सिखा रहा था. ओके, सिखाने का जो काम है वो उस टाइम पे चल रहा था. मैं इंग्लिश सिखा रहा था. देखिए, I was teaching English. यहाँ पे पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा? देखिए, पहले ऑब्जेक्ट को फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, I have already made you understand how to find out object in part 1. So my recommendation is to watch the video first. Okay, this part 1. देखिए, how to find out object? First of all, you have to have 2 words in our mind. That is, first of all, what and whom. Okay, we have to ask question. तो यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? देखिए, इंग्लिश. मैं क्या सिखा रहा था? मैं इंग्लिश सिखा रहा था. ओके, what was I teaching? I was teaching English. I hope you understood. So English will come at the first position. Okay, English. ठीक है, तो English where तो नहीं हो सकता. English was. Okay, singular number. English was being क्यों? Because of ing. Okay, English was being taught, T-A-U-G-H-T. Taught by whom? By me. हो गया. तो I was teaching English, मैं इंग्लिश सिखा रहा था और मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ा रहा था. English was being taught by me, इंग्लिश मेरे द्वारा सिखाया जा रहा था. ओके, इंग्लिश मेरे द्वारा सिखाया जा रहा था. हो गया. देखिए, तो यहाँ पे एक प्रॉब्लम है. मेनी स्टूडेंट्स गेट कंफ्यूज्ड अबाउट दिस बीइंग. व्हाई वी ब्रिंग दिस बीइंग? देखिए, यहाँ पे क्या है? आईएनजी है. आईएनजी का मतलब क्या है? पास्ट ऑनगोइंग एक्शन. और कोई भी ऑनगोइंग एक्शन पास्ट हो सकता है, फ्यूचर भी और प्रेजेंट भी. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आईएनजी का मतलब है ये चल रहा था. ठीक है, उस टाइम पे. तो यहाँ पे तो नहीं है. ये क्या है? ये V3 है. ठीक है, अगर ये देखे कि समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? देखिए, कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग बाय सीइंग दिस पर्टिकुलर वर्ड that it was ongoing? No. So how do you make that person understand that it was an ongoing action? Okay, इसलिए being. Okay, so that we can understand that was ongoing action. यहाँ पे ing है. देखिए, उसके बाद they were playing football. वे लोग फुटबॉल खेल रहा था. ठीक है, क्या खेल रहा था? फुटबॉल खेल रहा था. तो फुटबॉल will come at the first position. Football again was. Don't get confused about this one. This is different, this is different. Both are different. Football was being. Same thing. Being played by them. उन लोगों के द्वारा फुटबॉल खेला जा रहा था. ठीक है, वे लोग फुटबॉल खेल रहा था, उन लोगों के द्वारा फुटबॉल खेला जा रहा था. ठीक है, तो फुटबॉल वाज बीइंग प्लेड बाय देम. सेम यहाँ पे भी बीइंग, बिकॉज यू हैव टू शो दैट दिस इज ऑनगोइंग एक्शन. ये चल रहा था. ठीक है, और मैं और एक एग्जांपल ले रहा हूं. आई वाज रीडिंग ए बुक. मैं एक किताब पढ़ रहा था. ओके, So a book was being read by me. ठीक है। और एक मैं एग्जांपल ले रहा हूं देखो, मैं एक मोबाइल फोन खरीद रहा था। ओके, सो आई वाज बाइंग अ मोबाइल फोन वाज बीइंग बॉट बाय मी। ठीक है, वो चाय बना रही थी, तो शी वाज मेकिंग टी। क्या होगा? तो टी वाज बीइंग मेड बाय हर। I hope you are getting this one. Okay, now we will take past perfect tense, but before learning past perfect tense I just want to tell you one thing. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get many more videos like that and to stay notified for further updates. So let's see past perfect tense. Okay, see friends, I have taken two examples to make you understand for past perfect tense. Okay, so first of all you have to understand why we use past perfect tense. Generally we use past perfect tense for past events. When we have two past events, okay, like मेरे खाने से पहले वो खा चुका था, ओके, और खा लिया था, और मेरे वहां पे जाने से पहले वो वहां पे पहुंच गया था, ओके, बारिश स्टार्ट होने से पहले मैं वहां पे जा चुका था, ओके, और मैं वहां पे गया था। इस तरह का जो सेंटेंस होता है ना, लाइक व्हेन वी हैव टू पास्ट इवेंट्स, दैट टाइम वी यूज पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस फॉर द फर्स्ट इवेंट एंड फॉर द सेकंड इवेंट वी यूज पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस। बट here I have taken only one event, okay, no problem. For single event also you can use past perfect tense, okay, to make you understand, like I have taken these two examples. देखिए दोस्तों, he had made food, वो खाना बनाया था, ठीक है, he had made food, तो यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? food, तो food will come at the first position, food had, यहाँ पे been, had के बाद हमेशा been, had been made ही रहेगा यहाँ पे, made by whom? by him, ठीक है, ऐसे। तो he had made food, food had been made by him। उसके बाद देखिए you had written a letter, यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? a letter, तो a letter will come at the first position, letter had been, same thing, had been, यहाँ पे देखिए V3 ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे दिया गया है, ठीक है, तो क्या होगा? had been written by whom? by you, हो गया, ठीक है। तो he had made food, food had been made by him, so you had written a letter had been written by you, ऐसे करके, ठीक है। और मैं और बोल सकता हूं she had plucked flowers, she had plucked flowers, pluck का मीनिंग क्या है? फूल तोड़ना। she had plucked flowers, flowers had been plucked by her, okay। I had bought a new laptop had been bought by me, okay। I had kept some documents had been kept by me. So you can make many more examples. I have just taken 2 or 3 examples for you to make you understand, but you can take many more examples, and whenever you face any problem, don't forget to write in the comment section, okay, I will definitely try to help you out, okay। So for today that's all. I hope you have understood this video. If you have understood this video, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay notified for further updates, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends so that each and every student can take the advantage from these videos, okay। So for today that's all. Next day again we will meet and again we will learn something new. For today, thank you, thanks for watching.